This is a song called One Pure Soul. I wrote it at a Sufi retreat about the Aramaic words of Christ. So it has that, we've done some of that here with the Dance of Universal Peace or the Lord's Prayer.
Yeah.
So you'll hear some of the concepts from that.
One pure soul.
Wait. We did not get our notes. Sorry.
Okay.
B flat.
One pure soul, one bright spirit, one courageous heart, with one true voice, gives my soul what it longs for, one intense desire, for one clear choice. Bum 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 ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum bum.
One pure soul, one bright spirit, one courageous heart, with one true voice, gives my soul what it longs for, one intense desire, for one clear choice. Now I see all too clearly, there is only one thing I can do. Take this world of pain and sorrow, dream a better dream, and follow through. Endless war, widespread hunger, collapse and devastation are all around. Jesus said, ask intently, seek your goal with passion, it will be found. Make a space deep within you, purified of hidden hopes and fears. Knock and wait, doors will open, you'll see beyond this crazy veil of tears. Here's my quest, earth in balance, people live in peace and harmony. So I ask, single-hearted, trusting in the power of the mystery, for your pure soul, your bright spirit, your courageous heart, with your true voice, gives my soul what it longs for, one intense desire, for one clear choice, one intense desire.